So sometimes I want something different in the afternoon to drink besides water. Lately I've been craving like a matcha or a turmeric latte. So I'm like, you know what? I want to create something beautiful like the blue sky right now. I'm craving just that hint of sunshine. So I'm going to make, I have leftover hemp coconut milk. I love my hemp coconut milk. I don't think this is quite a cup, so let me see. Nope, not quite a cup. So I have some leftover coconut milk. Let me just pour some of that in. And yeah, so I'm gonna toss in this blue spirulina, and I'm gonna taste this to see even what kind of flavor this is. Now, you know, maybe I'll add some protein powder to this. Maybe make it like a little protein drink, but I wanna just see the flavors that I'm gonna get from pairing these three things. I think I may add a date to sweeten it up, but I don't know. I'll process it and be back. Oh my God, you guys can't even see. It's so gorgeous. So I'll be back. Okay, let me try it. It's not sweet. It's not like it needs to be sweet, but I think I need to put a date in. I'll be back. Okay, I added one date. Let's try it. Oh, good. That's exactly the touch of little sweet I need. Now again, I poured this in a wine glass. I'm not really drinking wine anymore, but look at this, it's beautiful. It's not a lot. I probably could have, you know what? I could have measured out a cup in there or whatever. I think it might be a cup, but it's hard to tell in a wine glass, but I don't care. I just want something fun to drink. So I'm gonna add a little bit of bee pollen. I kind of went crazy on this the other day when I sprinkled it on my breakfast. So add that just like I do my blue magic smoothie, but look at this. It's hemp milk, hemp coconut milk, a little bit of extra coconut milk. You could use almond milk, you use whatever you got lying around. A little packet of blue algae spirulina. So this is spirulina, it's just in the blue form. It's got all the benefits and some bee pollen to top, and just a nice little like, Sometimes we just need a little pick-me-up in the afternoon, something that's just fun and refreshing to kind of like keep us going on our day. And I just made this live with you guys. Again, it just takes playing in the kitchen. I was sitting there going, what do I want? And I'm like, I want something blue, I want something colorful. I'm gonna do something with blue magic. And I'm gonna use my leftover milks that I had in the fridge. So again, use any milk, create yourself a little treat. You could pour this over ice, but if you could have cold milks, this is great. So anyway, cheers.